Next video, we are going to define values for future one and future two value sets. Future one and future two value sets are reserved for future expansion of the company. Since it's part of chart of accounts, we need to define at least the default values so that we can enter the value while booking the transactions. In future, for what purpose we need to use at that particular point of time, we will add those another values. Now, click on your username, click on setup and maintenance, setup financials. Now search for the task called manage chart of accounts value set values. Now hit search. Now click on manage chart of accounts value set values. Now search for our task for our value set 6 underscore ERPZEN. Hit search. Now select the value set, future one value set, and click on manage values. Click on plus icon or create button to create 0000 default. Set summary as no. Now hit save, save and close. Now do the same thing for future two value set. Now click on future two, click on manage values, click on create button. Now 0000 default. Now set summary as no. Hit save, save and close, save, save and close. Now hit home button. And that's how you will create the values in future one and future two value sets. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN. Drop any questions in the comments below. Thank you. See you in the next video.